Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a young shepherd boy named Alex. His job was to take care of the village's sheep and make sure they stayed safe from wolves that roamed in the nearby forest. Every day, Alex would take the sheep to the grassy meadow and watch over them as they grazed. But as days went by, he started getting bored. One sunny afternoon, Alex had an idea. He thought it would be fun to play a trick on the villagers. So he climbed onto a big rock and shouted, "Wolf! Wolf! A wolf is attacking the sheep." Hearing his cries, the villagers came running with sticks and clubs to scare away the wolf. But when they got there, they only found Alex laughing. "I fooled you," he said, giggling. The villagers were not pleased and went back to their work, grumbling. A few days later, Alex grew bored again and decided to play the same trick. Once more, he shouted, "Wolf! Wolf!" And once more, the villagers dropped what they were doing and ran to help. When they arrived, there was no wolf, only Alex laughing even harder than before. "You fell for it again," he chortled. The villagers were even angrier this time. They warned Alex never to lie again. However, one evening as the sun was setting and the sky turned orange, Alex saw a real wolf creeping towards the flock. Terrified, he climbed the same rock and screamed, "Wolf! Wolf! A wolf is attacking the sheep." But this time, the villagers did not come. They had been tricked too many times and did not believe him anymore. The wolf scattered the sheep, and Alex ran back to the village in tears. "There really was a wolf," he cried to the villagers. They shook their heads sadly and said, "We're sorry, Alex, but if you keep lying, no one will believe you when you tell the truth." From that day on, Alex learned a very important lesson. He never lied again, and he became known as the most trustworthy shepherd in the village. The villagers began to help him rebuild the flock, and peace returned to the meadow, all because Alex finally understood the value of honesty and trust.